Good day everyone, welcome to my video. And today our topic is vectors and we're gonna solve for resultant displacement and angle. Kalik slides down from the top of the stairs at 30 meters. Then he goes down 20 meters on the right to get out of the stairs. What is the resultant displacement and the angle that he goes? So it says Calix slides down from the top of the stairs at 30 meters. So we're gonna put line going down and 20 meters on the right. This is the resultant displacement located. So now I'm gonna use Pythagorean theorem to determine the resultant displacement. The formula for Pythagorean theorem is c squared equals to a squared plus b squared. And now we're gonna substitute all of them. After I substitute them, we're gonna solve for their squared. After solving for their squared, we're gonna use square root to cancel the c squared and to square root the 900 plus 400. Now I'm going to use my phone to solve this problem because my calculator not supported this problem. Now our resultant displacement is 36.6. So now to determine the angle, we're gonna use the SOHCAHTOA and I use tangent, the opposite and adjacent. So now our angle is 33.70. 33.70 degrees. So our resultant is 36.6 and our angle is 33.70. So thank you for watching, and this is my video about determining the resultant displacement and angle.